What if your own two hands could help you get a stronger, fuller erection without a single pill? Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me because I'm about to show you something most men never learn, yet every man should. I'm Dr. Reena, a board-certified urologist. Today we're not talking about drugs, injections, or anything that'll empty your wallet. We're talking about something ancient, simple, and right under your fingertips. As men age, especially after 50, blood flow becomes everything for confidence, stamina, and masculinity. When circulation slows, stress builds, and your body tightens, performance takes a hit. But what if you could fix that in minutes a day? No devices, no embarrassment, no side effects, just the power of your own hands. In my clinic, men ask for natural solutions they can control. I tell them there is one. It's called acupressure, an ancient method used for centuries to restore energy, improve circulation, and unlock blood flow. Now, before you roll your eyes, let me be clear. This is not magic, it's biology. It stimulates key pressure points that trigger muscle relaxation, better nerve communication, and stronger erections. And here's what's fascinating. Modern medical research actually supports it. Applying firm pressure to these points releases endorphins, nature's own painkillers, and stress relievers. It calms your nervous system and loosens tight muscles around your pelvis and abdomen, opening up blood vessels. Tension kills circulation. Relaxation restores it. When blood moves freely, everything works better from your heart to your performance. Today, I'll show you 3 urologist-approved pressure points for instant improvement in blood flow and male vitality. They're safe, can be done anywhere, and when you activate all 3, the results can feel almost immediate. I'll walk you through each point, where it is, why it works, and how to massage it for best results. And trust me, the third one is the real game changer, one of the most powerful points for male performance and energy. So if you've been feeling sluggish, anxious, or frustrated with your body lately, don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take that control naturally, safely, and effectively. Let's start by understanding why this simple technique works and how your body responds to touch. All right, gentlemen, before we start pressing any points, you need to know why this actually works. Understanding your body is the first step to control. An erection isn't magic. It's a hydraulic event, pure blood flow. Your arteries must open to let blood in, and your veins must tighten to keep it there. Simple physiology. But as we get older, stress, anxiety, poor posture, and lack of movement interfere with this system. Blood vessels narrow, pelvic muscles tighten, and blood can't flow freely like a kinkaddick garden hose. Acupressure isn't mystical. It's applied science, using gentle pressure to reset the body circuits. In ancient Chinese medicine, these points are meridians, pathways carrying energy throughout the body. Modern research translates this to nerve pathways, blood vessels, and muscular tension. Pressing an acupoint activates local nerves, dilates blood vessels, and sends signals to the brain to reduce stress hormones. Simultaneously, your body releases endorphins, natural chemicals that relax muscles and boost mood. Studies from Harvard and the Mayo Clinic show acupressure can lower heart rate, reduce anxiety, and increase peripheral circulation. In plain English, it gets the blood moving again. Exactly what you need for a stronger, longer-lasting erection. It's not just physical. Performance is deeply connected to the mind. When your body feels tense, your brain senses danger. Blood moves away from non-essential systems, including reproductive organs. Anxiety can instantly ruin arousal. Applying pressure to the right spots tells your body to relax and let the blood flow. It's a built-in reset button. When these points are stimulated daily, they don't just create temporary relief. Over time, they train your vascular system to respond better, like a warm-up for circulation. So whether you're dealing with mild erectile challenges, low energy, or just want to boost vitality, this practice can help. It's not about replacing your doctor or medication. It's about enhancing what your body already knows how to do. All right, now that you understand the why, let's get practical. I'm going to show you the first point, the sea of energy. It's easy to find, powerful, and can change how your lower body feels almost instantly. Let's dive in. All right, let's start with the first point, one I recommend to nearly every man who walks into my office. It's called the Sea of Energy, or CV6 in traditional Chinese medicine. The name says it all. This point is your body's power hub, fueling your core, stamina, and circulation. To find it, sit or stand comfortably. Place your index finger on your belly button. Now, without moving that finger, place your middle ring and pinky fingers below it. The point you're looking for is right under your pinky finger, just above your pubic bone along your body center line. Press gently. You might feel a soft spot, a tiny dip. That's it. You found the sea of energy. Why is this spot so powerful? In traditional medicine, it's the center of male vitality, connecting your abdomen and reproductive organs. It's where your life energy gathers. From a modern urology perspective, this makes perfect sense. Beneath that point are deep pelvic muscles and blood vessels supplying your lower abdomen, the same network sending blood to the penis. When those muscles get tight from stress, poor posture, or sitting, blood flow slows down. Massaging this point helps those muscles relax, allowing circulation to flow more freely to the entire area. It's like opening a valve. The lower body wakes up, warmth spreads, and you can feel tension melt away. Here's how to do it right. Use your thumb or two fingers. Press firmly, enough to feel a deep, dull pressure, but not to hurt. Hold for about 10 seconds, then release slowly. Repeat 3 or 4 times or massage in small, slow circles. And here's an important tip. Breathe deeply. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 1, then exhale slowly for 6 counts. This breathing activates your parasympathetic system, your body's natural relaxation response, amplifying the effect. After about 30 seconds, you'll notice something interesting. Your abdomen feels lighter, your mind calmer. Sometimes you'll even feel a faint pulse indicating returning circulation. I tell my patients, do this twice a day, once in the morning and once before bed. It only takes a minute, but the benefits add up fast. Think of it as a reset button for your lower body. It improves blood flow, strengthens the pelvic floor, and can help digestion and lower back tension. And yes, over time, it can make a noticeable difference in erectile firmness and response. Now, a bonus tip. Combine this massage with gentle abdominal breathing for 5 minutes daily. You're training your body to send more oxygen and blood to your core. That's the foundation of male vitality. You've just activated your sea of energy. Now, let's move to a point on your leg that connects 3 vital systems for hormone balance, stamina, and sexual health. It's called the 3-in intersection, and I recommend it before sleep because it deeply relaxes both body and mind. Let's go there next. Now that you've opened up the sea of energy, let's move to the legs. The second point we're about to explore is like a power switch for circulation throughout your lower body. It's called the 3 intersection, or SP6. This point is where 3 of the body's most important energy lines meet: the spleen, the liver, and the kidney meridians. In plain English, it's the intersection that connects hormones, blood flow, and endurance, 3 pillars of male vitality. Here's how you find it. Sit down and cross one leg over the other so you can reach your inner ankle easily. Find that hard round bone on the inside of your ankle. That's your medial malleus. Now place 4 fingers, your index, middle, ring, and pinky, just above that bone. The point you're looking for is right behind the shin bone at the level of your top finger. If you press gently, you'll feel a slightly tender soft spot. That's it, the 3 intersection. Now, why is this point so powerful for men? Because all 3 meridians that meet here play critical roles in your body's performance. The liver governs blood flow and emotional balance. The kidneys control hormone production, stamina, and reproductive energy, and the spleen manages nutrient absorption and metabolism. When this point is stimulated, it helps regulate hormonal activity, improve pelvic circulation, and relieve tension that can interfere with erections. From a Western medical standpoint, pressing on SP6 stimulates deep nerve pathways that control blood vessel dilation in the legs and pelvis. That means better flow where you need it most. It's often used by physical therapists to ease leg fatigue and pelvic congestion. Exactly the kind of restriction that can limit sexual performance. Here's how to do it. Use your thumb to apply firm but comfortable pressure. You should feel a mild ache, not pain, just that good soreness. Hold for about 30 to 45 seconds, then release slowly. Repeat this on both legs. As you hold the pressure, take slow, deep breaths. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts, hold for 1, and exhale through your mouth for 6. That long exhale tells your nervous system, relax, you're safe, and that's when blood flow opens up. Some men tell me they start feeling a warm sensation moving up their legs. That's a great sign. It means you're stimulating circulation through your lower body and into the pelvic region. I like to recommend this massage once or twice a day, ideally at night before bed. It calms the mind, relaxes the body, and prepares your system for deep rest and recovery. And if you practice it regularly, it's an excellent way to reduce daily tension and improve natural responsiveness in the bedroom. Remember, the key is consistency. These aren't quick tricks. They're small habits that compound over time. Just like exercise, your vascular system responds best when you train it regularly. And here's a little insight from my patients. Some of them started doing this before intimacy and noticed that it helped them relax, reduced performance anxiety, and made arousal feel more natural. Because again, when the body is relaxed, blood flow follows. All right, you've now learned two of the most important acupressure points for male vitality, the C of energy and the 3 in intersection. But the final one, the one we're about to cover next, is the most overlooked and yet the most powerful. It's located on your lower back, and when stimulated, it can unlock deep-seated tension that silently kills performance. Most men have never even heard of it, but once you try it, you'll understand why I call it the C of vitality. Let's go there now. All right, gentlemen. Today, we're focusing on a crucial pressure point for enhancing your vitality, circulation, and overall energy. We've explored points for your core and legs, but the C of vitality is arguably the most important. It restores deep energy, nerve flow, and blood circulation from your spine to your lower body, serving as a central hub for strength, stability, and stamina. These kidneys are considered the batteries of your life force, the source of vitality, hormonal balance, and enduring stamina. Even modern medicine recognizes this area's importance for overall well-being. Beneath the spot lies a complex network of nerves and blood vessels controlling the lower back, pelvic floor, and essential sexual organs. When these muscles are tight, common for men over 50, blood flow restricts and nerve signals weaken. This tension can silently diminish your performance and comfort without you realizing the cause. To locate this crucial point, stand or sit straight with your back supported. Place your thumbs on your lower back just above your hips. Then slide them up to your belly button level. Next, move your thumbs 2 finger widths from your spine, 1 point on each side. That's your C of vitality. You should feel soft tissue, not bone, and sometimes slight soreness, indicating the correct spot. Now, you have 2 effective options to stimulate this point properly. If standing, use your thumbs to apply steady, firm pressure on both sides for about 60 seconds, breathing deeply. For a deeper massage, place a tennis ball between your lower back and a wall. Then slowly lean into it. You'll know you've hit the right spot when tension gently melts from your spine, providing profound relief. As you press, maintain slow, controlled breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose, exhale fully through your mouth. With each breath, visualize tension leaving your back and energy flowing freely to your pelvis, revitalizing the entire region. This practice matters because your lower back muscles, especially around this point, act as a crucial gate for blood flow and nerve communication to your pelvic organs. Tight or inflamed muscles effectively close this gate, impeding vital connections. But when you relax and open them, everything downstream, your hips, groin, and genitals, receives better circulation and stronger signals. You'll often notice immediate warmth or tingling across your lower body. This is your body releasing trapped energy. I advise patients to massage this point daily, especially after extended sitting, driving, or desk work. It's also beneficial after exercise to loosen your back and maintain a healthy pelvic region. Here's the real secret. Combine this lower back point with the C of energy below your navel and the 3 in intersection on your legs. This powerful combination improves blood flow and retrains your nervous system to coordinate relaxation and arousal naturally. Your body becomes more responsive, balanced, and significantly more confident. It's a natural system reboot. No pills, no machines, no side effects, just your hands, breath, and consistency. You've now unlocked all 3 major pressure points I recommend to men seeking to boost circulation, confidence, and vitality naturally. But the true power lies not just in knowing them, but in consistently using them. In a moment, I'll show you how to combine them into a short daily routine. a simple 5-minute practice that can transform how your body feels and performs. And I'll reveal the one crucial thing you must never forget for lasting results. Let's bring it all together. Now, let's bring everything together. Gentlemen, you've just learned 3 of the most powerful doctor-approved acupressure points for men's health and performance. The sea of energy below your belly button, the 3 in intersection near your inner ankle, and the sea of vitality across your lower back. When you combine these 3, you're not just boosting blood flow, you're creating a daily ritual that trains your body and your mind to relax, recover, and perform when it matters most. Here's how I recommend you do it. Step 1, start your morning with the sea of energy. Before you even get out of bed, sit up. Place your hand below your navel and gently press or massage that spot for 1 full minute. Breathe slowly. This wakes up your lower body and sets your circulation in motion for the day. Step 2. In the evening, after a shower or before sleep, move to the 3 in intersection on your legs. Apply firm pressure with your thumb for 30 to 45 seconds on each side. This calms your system, releases the tension from the day, and restores natural balance. You'll sleep deeper, you'll feel lighter. Step 3. Finally, once a day, maybe after work or while watching TV, stimulate your sea of vitality on your lower back. Use your thumbs or a tennis ball against the wall and hold steady pressure for 60 seconds on each side. This releases deep spinal and pelvic tension, the silent killer of performance for men over 50. Altogether, this takes less than 5 minutes a day. That's it. No pills, no devices, no side effects. Just your hands, your breath, and a bit of focus. Now, here's something I need you to remember, and it's important. These techniques are not meant to replace medical care. If you have ongoing issues with erectile function, that's your body asking for help. It can be a sign of diabetes, heart disease, or circulation problems. So always talk to your doctor. These pressure points are tools, not miracles. They work best when combined with good habits, movement, hydration, quality sleep, and a healthy diet. But here's the beautiful part. They give you back control. They remind you that your body still knows how to respond. It just needs to be reminded. I've seen men in their 60s, 70s, even 80s use these simple techniques and completely change their energy, their confidence, their presence. Because when blood starts flowing again, life starts flowing again. So try this today. Take 5 minutes, massage these points, breathe deeply, feel the warmth spreading through your core, and then tell me what you notice in the comments below. I'd love to hear your experience. Which of these 3 points did you try first? Did you feel the difference right away or after a few days? Share it. Your feedback helps other men learn that there are natural, powerful ways to restore performance and confidence. And if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more urologist-approved health tips for men. Because next time, I'll show you a simple breathing trick that pairs perfectly with these massages, one that can supercharge your stamina and focus in under 2 minutes. I'm Dr. Reena, and remember, your body isn't broken. It's waiting for you to reconnect with it. Take control, start small, and let your own hands bring the energy back.